Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma on the 2nd of November 2022 had launched the Citizen Engagement and Communication Program at the District Auditorium in Tura. Through the program, the government hopes to encourage officials in different departments who are the people's first point of contact to ensure that all government schemes meant for the public are being taken full advantage of by them. The program has been launched with an intention for grassroots penetration of all schemes so that governance is improved in all aspects, to enlighten the masses about different programs of the government through outreach activities and prominently displaying information at block-level offices, and also to encourage the team to sensitize themselves so they can in turn sensitize the public regarding all the available schemes. Speaking on the occasion, the Chief Minister said that the government has initiated various welfare programs and the information should be disseminated for the larger benefit of the public. He said that the program will aim to create the much needed awareness amongst the masses so that people will have the right information to avail benefits of the schemes being launched by the government.
It is basically a citizen-centric engagement program where government officials, especially at the block level, should engage with the citizens regarding the different programs and policies that the government has already done, the benefits that people have received because of these programs, how in a large number of programs there are a lot of people who still have not availed the benefits and hence they should take the benefits. And very importantly also to get a feedback from the grassroots level as to where we could improve things and change things and make it better. So it's a multi-purpose engagement program with the citizens and with the help of all the officials at the block and the district level. We have many booklets and 4,506 crores under MGNRGS. 4,506 crores in this government compared to the previous 5 years where we spent 2,574 crores. So from 2,574 crores in 2014 to 2018, in 2018 to 2022, we jumped from 2,500 to 4,500 crores. That's almost a 75% increase in the expenditure in MGNRGS. And we have this block-wise. So in every block, Bajingloba block, how much do you spend with MGNRGS? Dalu block, how much do you spend? Rongram block, Kabigri block. So in every block-wise, how much money we have spent under MGNRGS in the last 4 years. The details of all of this is available.